what is list and how we can create a list in R language. So list is an R object which can contain many different types of elements inside it. Like in a list, we may include vectors, we may include different functions, and even another list can be stored inside a list command. Okay. So in this case, in this particular example, the list one is created with the data. In syntax, you could see list and a bracket. So in this bracket, we have stored three elements, or one is the vector, that is C253. So this particular vector we have stored, and one numeric value, that is 21.3, and one sine function, trigonometry function, that is sine we have used. And when we print or try to print this list, so when we'll print the list one, we'll get the output as we have the vector having values 253, numeric vector having values 21.3, and a trigonometric function, that is function of x, in which primitive is sine, that will be shown.